So in this video I am going to discuss what is the river rule. It is nothing else, simply the mass balance. It is the mass balance of different compositions. Let us discuss. So suppose that we have, this is the fulcrum, this is the, let us say, alpha phase, this is the beta phase, and the composition of alpha phase is C alpha, and composition of beta phase is the C beta, and let us say C naught is the overall composition. So these are the composition. Let us introduce one more parameters known as fraction of phases. F of alpha and F of beta. There is a difference between compositions and fraction of phases. Suppose that we have some phases. Let me draw. So this is the alpha phase and this is the beta phase. So if talking about the composition, in alpha and beta, then we have to know that what are the elements like in alpha phase, what are the elements like carbon, aluminum, and other phases, other element, what are the composition of carbon, aluminum, alpha phase. Let us example, and same way in the beta. But if you're talking about the fraction, then what are the fraction in this area of beta and alpha phases? So suppose that the fraction of beta phases is 25% and fraction of alpha phases is 75%. That means in this particular area the alpha phase is more distributed than the beta phase. So this is the difference between compositions. And so move to the calculation of the lever rule. So we have, simply draw once again, we have C beta, we have C alpha, this is the C naught overall composition, this is alpha phase, this is alpha. So mass balance is, apply the mass balance. So what becomes? C naught is equal to fraction of alpha into composition of alpha plus C naught fraction of beta into composition of beta. This is the one equation. And we're talking about the other equations. Fraction of alpha plus fraction of beta is equal to 1. If you solve both equations, then it will become, if you solve both equations, then it will become f of alpha is equal to C naught minus C beta divided by C beta minus C alpha. Similarly for C beta, f of beta is what? C naught minus C alpha divided by C beta minus C alpha. This is simply the derivation of lever rule. So it is very important mass balance equation, generally asked to calculate the weight fraction. So what types of fraction it has? Either it is volume fraction or area fraction or weight fraction. So this is nothing else. This is the weight fraction. This is the weight fraction. So we already know that how to calculate weight fraction into volume fraction. So we have density. This is mass divided by volume. So if we want to convert weight fraction into volume fraction, simply apply this formula and we directly calculate. What are the application of this lever rule? What are the application? So we're talking about the iron carbon system, and if we want to calculate the ferrite alpha phase, alpha ferrite, then we apply. If we want to calculate Fe3C weight fraction in iron carbon diagram, we apply this lever rule to calculate simply. Or if we're talking about some aluminum copper system, if we want to calculate some theta precipitate or some alpha precipitate, so you simply apply the lever rule. Thank you very much.